Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea easily. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's a robust black tea, a delicate green tea, or a soothing herbal blend. Next, measure out about 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea or use 1 tea bag for every 8 ounces of water you plan to use. Then, heat fresh, cold water to the correct temperature, which varies by tea type. Finally, steep your tea for the recommended time to unlock its full flavor potential. Achieving the perfect cup often depends on water temperature and steeping time. For black and most herbal teas, use freshly boiled water, which is about 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, green and white teas prefer cooler water, ideally between 175 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit, to avoid a bitter taste. Black tea typically steeps for 3 to 5 minutes, while green tea needs only 1 to 3 minutes. Once your tea is brewed, it's time to customize it to your liking. Many people enjoy adding a touch of sweetness with honey, sugar, or agave nectar. For a creamier texture, consider a splash of milk, cream, or your favorite non-dairy alternative. You can also enhance the flavor with a slice of lemon, a few fresh mint leaves, or a thin piece of ginger. For a cool treat, simply chill your brewed tea for a refreshing iced drink. To consistently brew the best tea, remember a few key practices. Always start with fresh, filtered water. It makes a significant difference in taste. Pre-warming your teapot or mug helps keep your tea hot for longer. Be careful not to oversteep, as this can result in a bitter or overly strong flavor. Finally, store your tea in an airtight container, away from direct light and moisture, to preserve its freshness for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.